I'm here to discuss here about my dataset. So let's get started. As you can see in my screen, this is my this one is my dataset. This dataset is called social connection. So as you can see, here is the line plot filling over the years. So this is the filling over the years. This is the data of the in the 2002. As you can see here, it's low to high in 2004, and until in 2008 it's become low. And this is the feeling over the years. So by the country, the loneliness feeling by the country is grouped by. So where is it? Let me mention the country in here: Finland, Austria, Belgium, Denmark, France, Germany, Greece, Israel, Italy, Netherlands, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, England, and United States. So as you can see here, the highest score of this loneliness feeling by the country by is Greece. The Greece is felt the Greece experienced or felt loneliness over the year of middle of 2004 to 2018. So let's say in the box plot, this is a distribution of loneliness feeling. Gram of loneliness feeling or feeling of loneliness. This is the frequency: low, high to down. The frequency of that. So here is it, my scatter plot in 2000 to 2018. So let's go to the next plot. This is the heat map. This is the loneliness feelings by years in country heat map. This is the country and this is the year. 2002 we have Finland, and in year 2005 we have Switzerland, Sweden, Spain, Netherlands, Italy, Israel, Greece, Germany, France, Denmark, Belgium, and Austria. And in 2008 we have United States and England. The highest is still Greece. So Greece experience loneliness over time of 2002 to 2018. For listening to me, and hope everyone doing well, and thank you for listening to me.